Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now, broadcasting both lives on my two channels on the YouTube. But one channel had like amazing 44,000 viewers on a live that I did a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to see it. If any video that I'm doing it's like on that channel, am I gonna have some response? So that's the thing. My main idea is like, um, of course, the subscriptions, the followers from the video, and what you the title in the video, and also like what you bring for the video. You know what I mean? So two particular kind of the experimental that I'm doing in YouTube recently. Of course, you have a lot of guys with Mr. Beast, this guy PewDie, something like that, and some other ones. And with the game, I did research to see which the videos or channels are more research or I research the search on the videos. What kind of they looking more. So I find out the PewDie whatever was number one. Then this ASMR is number two, and then so on. But the day that I did on my video on the Masters for the golf tournament, I broadcast live and rebroadcast live because they have free broadcasting on the web page. So I using the restreaming, and also I use the Switcher Pro on the app, an iPhone, and also on a tablet. So that's the way I did it, and took a little bit longer for YouTube to find my streaming, but they found it. So I got 2 strikes on that. Full copyright. 30 strike would be close all my accounts. So I'm gonna have to really be careful with that. So my other channel, I provide information on the stock market. I do live trading, and I'm talking about the economy, the market, and how can I play to try to make extra income on using options. Recently, we have a big sell off on the market, and I see a lot of people make a lot of money. I didn't cash as much as I could because I was between working and trying to find out the best indicators and everything. So now I want to see if my video that I'm posting right now on both channels, which channel are gonna have the better response. The one that I have 44,000 viewers, because the broadcast that I did live, I saw something that kind of showed me that this one is my channel for stock market analysis. This one, as you can see it, I don't know if you can see it good. I lost 2 subscribers in the last 28 days. And this one, I didn't have much video. When I started doing it, I started upload videos from Mr. Beast. That I have. The second video I have 48 viewers. The first one I have 399. I upload this one for Bitcoin's 200. The PewDiePie, I had the copyright on this channel, but they say the owner allows the content to be used on YouTube, so it's not a big deal. I think not a strike. I just cannot monetize in any of those videos. I just posted those videos to bring traffic to my channel. As you can see it in analytics over here. So your channel got 808 views in the last 20 days. Improved big time here. 150 285 on April 19 views. Also, the time also is good. The audience, unique views 748. I lose 2 subscribes. They cancel. So this is the channel. This channel I have for a long time. This is, I think, I don't know, 6 or 7 years, something like that. And this other channel that I changed over here, switch account, is the one that I did the live. And see, I have active copyright strikes, 2 of 3, active community guideline, warning. So we got like new achievement, 30,000 views. Your video are getting so much interest in playtime, view analytics. But actually, I supposed to be on my other, the restreaming. I was showing that I was not supposed to be doing live stream, but somehow I went through. They probably took that off, so I'm doing live now. And as you can see, the live trading futures, 0 views at this moment. With Sunday night, April the 21st, 9:12 p.m. So the one that I have before, I have some image from CNBC, and I have 31 viewers in this channel. So this one, I had 9 subscribers for a long time, and then from 9 I went to 162. See, I have, your channel has gotten 45,180 views so far. It was a big live. See, live counts 162 plus, so it's pretty big for like one day. Thank you guys for whoever subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much. But I just didn't see if this gonna be improving anything on the next couple months. So I had to be careful with the copyright at this moment. See, a new removal request. So you got 1 video request for removal. Copyright owner. Oh, okay. This is if I want to remove somebody else. So I haven't responded. Comments, subtitles, copyright earning. So I'll go back to dashboard, and I did the school on the Masters 2024 was the video. So see, I have 154 subscribers in 28 days, but this is like 1 day only. So that was pretty big. It was shocking. That day was shocking. It was like Sunday and just like crazy. Anyway, my goal here is to talk about the market and what I did with the live trade. So this is the position that I had, that I'm open right now on my accounts, Robinhood account. This one is being like profit 361% because it cost me $9. It's selling right now for $32.50. I didn't close. I have to close it either tomorrow, just wait for a little bit longer. Depends how the let's see. It looks like right now it's trading at $88. So from 32 at open tomorrow, I'm gonna go down to 15. So we're gonna lose 0.5%, but it's still up because I pay $9. So I'm gonna still up. unless continue drop to like 80 and go back to $60, and then it should be fine. But other than that, right now it's they only show the profit. Let me see how much it's worth. I didn't say this. So unrealized gain 32.50. Chance of profit is only 3.9%. So this one, let's see. Okay, take a look. A second bit with me. Double check, see if it's for the 26, $70, and at this moment it's up 2.92%, trading 89. So pretty much I'm losing $1 at this point if I open like this tomorrow morning. Because it was trading at 88, still 88, $10, so only $1 profit. That's the power of the options. You can go crazy like this, 361%, but if the price don't keep going in a direction that you posted, it just like changed dramatically. It went from $32 profits to $1 profit, maybe less than that. Probably losing $1. Let's see tomorrow. Let me see what the Robinhood tell me on this position. And right now, Robinhood say that are gonna be at $10 tomorrow at open. So gonna lose $31. Not lose. Still make $1, but I was making 32. I couldn't close it because I closed in my day trade, my last day trade with the SPY, which is I should do it. Should wait a little bit longer. But I'm at 3 days, 2 of 3, so I got a 1 day trade tomorrow to do it. So let's take a look over here. Alright, I see Microsoft. So Microsoft might help me a little bit. $398.99. So gonna be between $7 and $9. Oh man, that was big dip. So I pay $37. It was priced at $40.50. $41 actually. And now for tomorrow morning I'm gonna be down $25 if the price it's around here. So that's another downside. Unless the market open negative tomorrow. I don't know. It's too early. 9 o'clock. I mean, the direction of the market is a little bit right now. Is it positive? If I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look on that. This one. Let's go here in futures. Yeah, everything is green at this moment. Very little, but it's green. Better than Thursday night with everything was down. Japan was big time down and bring everything else downside. Japan's up 0.5%, 170 points. But I don't know how it's gonna be. And okay, let's go back here. So Microsoft. Why I did Microsoft? Let me bring the chart. The Microsoft was Microsoft. The reason that I did this bad It was because those two bars over here, and actually, yeah, so the support, it's all the way down here on the weekly. Today, first support at 380, and then 350 at a day, and then at this point got big at 4 o'clock, 4 hours, got a bull buying over here, but 2 hours I'm gonna talk to you guys about that on some information that somebody posted in StockBits about the dark pool, and that's the place the people placing bets, and that we don't see it. Those bets normally go like off the market. On that, this was early in the morning, and probably those two bear positions over here, those two bear blocks, was the positions that the guy posted on because it was right in this range of price when he posted. So very bearish in the 2 hours. Even if you go and try to see it, I mean, the technicals in 2 hours, moving average is a strong sell, summary sell, oscillator neutral. Day, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. 15 minutes only change an oscillator for buy, but everything else is sell and strong sell, moving average. 5 minutes sell, and 1 minute go back to buy. That's the weekly. Neutral with the sell and oscillator, and skipping the 2 hours. Neutral, sell, strong sell. This thing kind of like technicals. Let's see the the analysis. 472 for the price on Microsoft. For analyst rating, it's strong buy. So this could be like a correction and a corrected. Let's see. In 4 days we have the earnings. 4 days in earnings. So let's see how they acting. Right now, I really don't know what to say here. So the Netflix call was because of earnings. As you can see, is $800. They took a dive on Netflix. You didn't see it. I didn't show it right there. Very similar from this one I misread because in the weekly it was right off this bear column here, and then I should have actually short the position even open, but it just, this is the fake money. I misread on that, because sometimes they go close to here and then push through, or sometimes trade right in the middle and just go through. But this time I think I have to learn, like, once it's in the bottom, it normally has a tendency to push down the price, or kind of hanging over here. 8% was the volatility, and then actually for the week hit 10%. That's Netflix. The next one is PG, Procter & Gamble. Stock took a little bit of dive, but then recuperated and finished it like strong out the day. If we have a rotation, that we have the rotation from for the electronics. No, how can I say that? Let me see here. Let me go to the map. Software, I think. Information technology. If we had the reverse for information technology to the health, it was pretty good because then we have big support. The price went up. But then if we revert the situation, we might visit the 144, go down because they probably sell here, buy again Nvidia and Meta and all that they sold it. And that could be something that the market might be doing it. That's the map. Nvidia took a big hit, 10%. But as you can see, not the whole thing, like financials was pretty good. A lot of greens. And the financial banks. Like consumer staples also is a mix. It has some greens. Household PGs right here. Only 0.5%. To bring me, the guy told me, one of the guys in the stock weeds told me that the movement on the stock, that is the implied volatility. So the IV normally is, which is, the IV was something that measure the price on the options. So like here, it's supposed to be let me show you guys. Okay, this was supposed to be moved 2% up and down. Okay, even if it move 2%, I would lose still like $32 because it didn't go over the percentage that's supposed to be like moving. And I have a website that I was keeping receiving these emails that show me like the percentage, the movement on that. So perhaps if the earnings is bad, we have in a bear market, the stock move anywhere from 4. Normally I like to go like 8%. Let's say if you go 8%. So the IV, it might double. When I do that, as you can see, the price goes skyrocket. Even in a 2%, I wouldn't make a lot of money. Would it be profit loss percentage is 64% profit. But because the stock never moves, if the stock moves only 2%, even if the IV went high, 2%, that would be 100% profit. Yeah, it would be good too, but normally when this happen, the IV just stay here or even go lower, because maybe sometimes 50% lower. So I had to pay attention to that for that. Normally they don't post that the stock's gonna move 15, 20, 30%. Normally they post like very conservative, like 2, 5, 15%, something like that. But very difficult to see it like the stock moving more than 10% on IV. It's actually, well, anyway. So let's see. Okay, let's go back here. No, I think my bet's gonna be in this one because it's gonna be Tuesday and next week I have a QQQ put. So if for the 30th of April, if we continue to go down, if we go down at the 4%, we go down to like $3.97. That's okay. Make some profit. Take it out. If you drop, say, another 2% tomorrow, and the IV go a little bit higher, so we're looking at 414. Let's see if we go down to 400. 403. It would be 2.8%. So with the little IV up, probably say 2x, because if we move 2%, it's going to be great. If we move 2% and the IV go up to 50%, look at that. It's like 1,000%. So let's see if that happens. And the QQQ. Now, however, that was my strangle. Why I did that? Because they say at CNBC that SPY and QQQ carry NVIDIA, and NVIDIA right now, because the market cap is like considerably heavyweight in both of those. So if NVIDIA continues, now they say NVIDIA is in a bear market. If NVIDIA continues to go down, they're going to pull both QQQ and SPY. So I'm going to lose my call, but I'm going to make the QQQ. Now, if I'm right, and NVIDIA is a heavyweight and a SPY also, with, of course, they have Tesla, they have also Apple, but say like NVIDIA semiconductors move up, they're gonna kill my QQQ, but my SPY am I gonna be able to pay me, probably because right now it's trading at 495, so it's 20 points. So I have this whole week plus Monday to move 20 points, which is about 5%. So let's see, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I go back to the 520, but this needs to happen by the 30th, So I don't know. That would have killed the whole bear situation or correction, whatever, if the price go back for another week for 5%. So we monitor this. We're gonna be taking a look on the chart. You're probably gonna see if you have any bounce positions, like a SPY. I would say the 2 hours probably being like a good indicator for change of directions. And as you can see it, this bar over here, April the 4th was the day that actually started. I saw that also at some other stock, I think SMCI. It was like April 4th, the day that we have a massive sell. For SPY, it's only 1%, but this 1% of SPY is pretty big. Anyway, guys, so that's it. That's what I have open on my accounts, and eventually I'm gonna go with my accounts live. But right now, I'm just using Option Strike because I opened the affiliate program, and I had to put the link on my channel to see if I can get the money from them. Other than that, thank you for watching. If you ever watch, of course, please subscribe. The main idea is I have to really need you guys to help me to see who needs this information, who I am talking to, what kind of person or people, whatever. If they like my English, if I want me doing like my natural language, which is Portuguese, also can do some Spanish if I can, I'm trying to figure that out, those things. And please help me. If you can help me, it would be a great helper if you do that. Thank you very much, and see you guys on the next video.